So this is what we're riding today. Indian Scout, not the bobber version. Some sweet bikes here. We got a flat black Scout. We got, I don't know, Big Chief or something. This is a whole new world for me. I have no idea about any of these bikes. 604 Blue Light.
Hey, there's all of us.
And infinity0@gmail.com.
First gen CRX now.
First gen CRX, right.
Even though I never ride it.
So we just put our helmets on. Looks like we're all connected via our CNS and
ready to go.
GoPros are on.
Yep, everything's on. Good to go.
And I'm just recording. And who gets to ride this? That's Matt. Matt will be riding that.
You're riding this bad boy.
Mentioned earlier that I'll be riding the.
Got the nice vintage-looking engine cases, 1901 Indian Motorcycle Company. The forward controls, got the big pipes.
Where's
the solo
Mr.
seat?
Dave? Is he way back there?
And where is Dave?
Back here.
Dave's at the
Where's
back.
the bike?
This is what Dave is riding. The matte white Scout bobber with the 8.
Yeah, you've got the mini apes go in there on that little bobber.
Yeah.
That's a good looking bike.
Looks good.
Good look.
Yeah.
You had to have the apes, Dave. It's just 100% suits you.
Yeah.
Like any one of us could have had the apes, but it was you and it's destiny.
It's weird that the tack and the speedo are reversed. So the tack is the
yeah, the
center
tack is
portion
the
of the
digital and the speedo's the analog, so that's interesting.
it is a cruiser, but
all right.
Here we go.
Sick. This thing feels great. The forward controls are ready. I like this.
Oh man, it's I'm having to edge my my seat up just to be able to reach the foot controls.
Oh really?
Yeah. So, all right, this is unbelievable.
This is awesome.
This is a strange feeling here.
It's very smooth. The throttle is very
Yeah, I like
forgiving.
it. No, not jerky at all.
No, it's quite nice. Just booting around the parking lot, even, you know.
Yeah, and it's just because of where the weight is. Like it's not bad. Like it's so low. It just wants to move.
Forward controls are a bit high for me. Like, the hand controls.
I'm used to it because the highlight bars in the CF.
I guess so. Yeah, this is quite.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
Are you behind me or behind
Behind you, right behind you.
Okay.
On your right.
You want to go? Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, I'll get some of you. We'll switch off a little bit,
Yeah.
please, so we can get some footage.
Look at this. I'm flat footing this thing.
Yeah, man. This thing's got, what, a 25-inch seat height or something like that?
Huh?
It's got like a 25-inch seat height. It's
No idea.
very low. Like, look at my
no
knees.
idea.
Fully almost 90
So
degrees.
these are all good.
These 8s are hilarious. It's so weird.
Oh, it's pretty torquey. Wow.
Wow, it is.
Woo!
Holy crap.
This
Keep in
thing.
mind that this is the baby bike.
Yeah, I know. This is still pretty torquey,
Holy
man.
crap, look at how much your mirrors are shaking. Wow, holy shit, this thing moves.
Boost mirror.
Wow, this is a lot faster than I was expecting.
My mirror's not shaking at all.
Yeah, mine are pretty good.
Yeah.
Mine are bad, but whatever.
Wow, this thing is a dream. It's so
This
smooth.
is pretty aggressive for me. It's weird.
Yeah,
I don't know if you can see me, Matt.
You're kind of hunched over, Eli. Like
Yeah, I totally am.
Your bars are like flat bars.
We should have traded.
Oh, it's pretty quick.
Yeah, dude, it's got a shit ton of torque.
This
Holy
thing,
crap.
yeah, it's pretty responsive, you know. It's pretty fast.
Potato.
Potato. I love it. V-twin, cruiser V-twin.
This is truly a new experience.
100%.
This ain't nothing like we've ever ridden before. And these are just a tiny little Indians.
Yeah,
These are the babies.
This thing feels light. Like it's not a big bike, you know. It's probably what, 500 pounds, maybe.
It's like 530.
530, but it feels low, so it's
Still lighter than your CB.
Oh yeah, for sure. My CB was like 570.
Yeah, I'm totally flat-footing this thing, so it's I got no problems. Other than it feels like I'm reaching everything. I'm reaching for the hand controls.
Yeah.
And I'm reaching for the foot controls.
Yeah, the foot controls are I'm starting to get used to.
Yeah. If that's adjustable, I'm sure it is.
I'm sure,
then
I'm sure you can
it'll
change
be okay.
that. I like it though,
we're
no
good to go.
BS, just go on and ride. There you go, try it out. Okay. There's no safety talk, there was no nothing.
Whoa! I'm afraid to lean this thing.
Okay, there's our group lead up there, waiting for us. Boys, I love this bike.
This is sweet. I really like
This
it.
is a nice bike.
Oh my gosh.
Like, it just feels really good.
I can't believe I'm riding one.
It's so buttery smooth, just like the throttle response.
Yeah, and I think Eli, you'd prefer this riding style. Like, I know the chrome bars look kind of lame, but
Probably.
they're really comfortable.
This is this is pretty aggressive for a cruiser.
Like, my sit bones are in such a nice spot right now just because of my forward posture.
Like the shape of my body right now is like a V shape right now.
Yeah, I can tell you're pretty hunched over. Like, it's
Yeah.
pretty darn aggressive for what it is. Oh yeah, like it's got power. I haven't even opened it up at all.
Well, keep in mind that this thing has more power than a truck did.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's right. So
Hey Matt,
Yo,
wanna pass me?
Yeah,
in
sure.
The switch sides? Okay, perfect.
yeah,
Sweet! Now I gotcha.
yeah.
Wave with the camera, yeah. Epic Sax Productions.
Sax Productions, 604 Blue Light, and first gen
Dave.
CRX.
And Dave.
Dave.
It's Dave.
Dave's way at the back. Sorry to say he can't join us.
Okay.
We're
We'll
doing
have to
some
try and
riding
get our
formation
bikes
here.
into a better position next time. But what can you
There's
do?
no flicking this thing.
Yeah, it's pretty nimble though. You know, like it feels good. I wonder what it redlines at, because just cruising at like 3,000 RPM, it's got plenty of power.
Yeah.
This is probably like 5.
Oh, it's probably a little more
Alright.
than that, I would think.
First impressions once more. I don't think I could ride this for 2 hours straight.
Really,
Yeah, just the seating position. I'm just really reaching for everything.
this is one of the most comfortable bikes I've ever ridden. I'm not even
Yeah.
kidding. Like,
It's nice.
it is
Well,
gorgeous.
you're a tall guy, a big guy, probably built for bigger guys, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Clarky!
Jumping rock
Wow!
here.
I heard that.
It goes like pink.
Big rock there.
Yeah.
Wow, it's
Yeah.
smooth, man. Jeez, first is like, wow.
Hope we can go somewhere where I can open this up a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
Just let him go ahead, like further up, and
Yeah,
then
I'll let
just
it
gun
go a little bit.
then punch it. Just like right now.
Oh yeah, it's got some power.
No problem, man. Going uphill, it's just so torquey.
Yeah, it's just
Got
like
power everywhere.
this thing has so much torque.
What an
It's funny.
experience.
It's really long-legged too. Like
Yeah,
I'm in second right now.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I'm going 60, and it's only doing like 3,700, and it doesn't feel stressed or like it's over revving. But at the same point, I can still go to 6 and cruise because of the torque, and it's fine,
oh yeah.
which is awesome.
It's nice to have that sort of overall usability, you know?
I'm doing 1,500 RPM and 6, and it's like I can feel each piston firing.
It's like idle speed for most bikes.
It's like
Woo!
bump, 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 bump. I like each. This one's still sweet bike though. It's the apes aren't my thing, but that's about it.
Seriously, man, my butt does not fit the seat.
Really, eh?
Yeah, I'm having like totally
You've been eating too many cheeseburgers or what? Do these have ABS?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice.
probably.
Oh yeah. They all do.
Yeah, I need to tack. I have no idea.
Look down. Your tack's in the middle.
Yeah, it's the digital tack. It's very strange.
Oh. Well, I've got a big sticker on top of it.
I guess
Yeah,
it's
I
not
do too.
really strange. It's just not what we're used to.
Yeah.
Hey, it's $1.58 here.
That's not bad. $1.58, which is sad that we're saying the gas is cheap at $1.58.
All right, it's not bad. It actually does lean. I don't know what my lean angle is.
Not much, but
Yeah, this thing is nice, man. I love this bike.
Ah. You know, with the bum stop,
Yeah?
I'm not on it, right?
Oh,
'Cause
really?
I can't reach the ground.
So you're a bit short. But yeah, this bike seems to handle really well. It's a nice long wheelbase.
it's not bad.
It's very steady.
I would love to try it with the lower bars, seats, but even this, like this is comfy.
So there you go. If you buy an American bike, you don't need to buy a gigantic Harley. Just buy one of these.
Sweet.
You know,
Needs
this
to
is
be
Yo.
1,200 cc's.
looks good,
Okay.
man. Looks good on you. Suits you.
Ah,
It's a nice color.
Oh, exhaust is hot.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. You got a lot of heat on this thing. summer days might not be fun. Man, that's a good looking bike, Eli.
Good looking guy.
Oh, it's fast. Woohoo! This thing hauls.
Yeah, it's good. Huh?
This thing is really fast. It's deceptive.
Good.
Like, it doesn't feel fast until you get on it.
Yeah.
Very
I just took it-
deceptive.
I just took it to $7,000, so it's gotta
Wow.
go higher than that.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. What are these, 1200cc?
Yeah, it's dual red cam, right? Like
Yeah.
it's a little bit more advanced than a typical Harley too.
I'm getting major wind blasts right now.
Yeah, I'm getting hit pretty good right now.
Yeah,
I think it was
on my,
maybe the little corridor we were in was quite sheltered.
Yeah. On my legs especially.
Yeah, my legs are pretty exposed.
Widening my legs
I
quite.
think on a road trip this would be really cold if you're in cold weather,
Yeah.
right?
More my legs than anything actually. I don't know how that is.
I think the heat of the motors keeps my legs warm.
No, the wind. It's like
Oh.
spreading my legs apart.
Yeah. The tank field is really good though. Like my knees are in a comfy spot. The ergonomics are really good for a cruiser.
Like my legs are acting like parachutes right now.
Yes, I've got these baggy jeans on too. They're just flapping away.
I love the roll-on power.
Yeah, it's pretty good. The gear indicator is interesting. As soon as you pull the clutch in, it turns off.
It's a
Yeah.
little bit laggy. Yeah, I
There's a
noticed
delay. I could.
I thought I pulsed neutral a couple
Oh,
times.
look at this mean semi. Oh,
That's a sweet piece, brother.
mean semi right there. Yeah, it looks good, buddy.
Gearbox is actually pretty smooth. It's not bad. Gearbox needs to be a little bit clunkier.
Sounds good.
It's a nice sounding engine, eh?
Yeah.
Not too loud. Stock pipes are fine. It's just a nice amount of rumble. I find the shifting is a bit rough if you're getting on it.
Yeah. Can't.
You can't really
power
full
shift.
throttle or anything like that. You gotta let off.
Yeah, we're like some of the only dudes here with full face helmets.
We need lids.
Probably getting laughed at right now.
We need lids.
What's the matter? Wind too tough for you guys? Beautiful bike.
All right, guys. Well, that is the end of the ride, and that was an experience.
Yes, great
Quite the
experience.
experience. Very, very new experience. First run at the Indian motorcycles. I gotta say, it was a lot of fun.
Highly recommended.
So much fun. Yeah, this is the reason we like to try all sorts of bikes. We don't want any bias, and we always make fun of cruisers and Harleys.
It's changed my mind. So at this point, guys, I want to conclude this video by saying a huge thank you to Polaris and Sea to Sky Motorsports for putting on this awesome event. Hope you stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to check out 604 Blue Light's channel for his version of today's events and for other awesome content. Thanks for watching.